Are you having some type of digestive concern, like more than 70% of the population? If you're over 50, more than 90% of the population have high cholesterol. Most folks these days have some type of blood sugar concern. And not only that, people just feel bad. They're tired, exhausted, lethargic. I want to invite you to a free online event where we're going to talk about the health and the reset of your microbiome. You know, ancient wisdom thousands of years ago and modern science together both have told us that our intestinal health, the environment of our intestinal tract, and the strength of our digestion supports everything else. And in this free online event, I'm going to teach you how to breathe away your heartburn, how to breathe away your high blood pressure, how to use spices to protect your food from damage, how to not bubble wrap your diet so you can actually eat foods that actually are making you stronger and reset your digestive health. Join me in this free online event.